In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Pipedrive. Whether you're aiming to optimize your workflow or just streamline your communication, setting up templates can save you a lot of time. Let's dive into it and I'll guide you through each step in just 5 minutes. First, open up your web browser and head over to pipedrive.com. You'll want to start by logging in, so go ahead and locate the login button on the home page and click on it. If you haven't already signed up for an account, you'll need to create one before you can proceed. But for those of you who have an account, proceed to enter your email and password. Make sure everything is correct, then hit the login button again to access your dashboard. Once logged in, your attention will want to be on your pipeline, so navigate over to Pipeline Deals. Here's where you'll manage most of your activity, but for today's task we're focusing on emails. So move on to the sales inbox. This is the area where all your email activities are organized. It's a very powerful tool in Pipedrive that often goes underused. Once inside your sales inbox, you'll see the option to create a new email. Go ahead and click on New Email. This will open up a blank email template that we are going to customize. Start by crafting the subject and body of your email as you normally would. Consider the recipients and phrasing that consistently recur in your email communications. Now let's save ourselves some time for the future endeavor by creating this as a template. Before that, you'll need to specify the recipients. Simply click on the recipients field and enter the email addresses or select contacts directly from your list. Afterward, proceed to type in all necessary fields. This includes any placeholders or personalized touches you'll need for your emails. Now to set this up as a template, click on Save Draft as a Template. This is an essential step because saving the draft ensures you have a reusable template for future use. You'll need to name your template now. Choose a name that makes sense and will be easy to remember. This name will help you quickly identify the template whenever you need it later. For privacy options, consider clicking on Private. This makes sure that only you have access to this particular template unless you decide to share it with others. Finally, click on the Save button to lock in your template. And that's it. You've now successfully created an email template in Pipedrive. This template can now be used whenever you need to send a similar email, saving you the hassle of drafting an email from scratch each time. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more time-saving tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy emailing with Pipedrive.